If you're encountering a login block message on Workday Financials, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to your organization's IT support or Workday customer service for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login blocked issue and regain access to Workday Financials. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from support.